Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage incident response plans with PagerDuty, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your PagerDuty account. Once logged in, navigate to the Configuration tab in the main menu. Under the Configuration tab, select Incident Management. Next, click on Incident Response Plans to access the To create a new incident response plan, click the Create New Plan button. Fill in the required fields, such as the plan name and description. Identify the escalation policies relevant to this response plan. Add teams that will be involved in the incident response process. Specify the steps to follow in response to each type of incident. Incorporate relevant documentation links for easy access during incidents. Set up escalation rules to ensure incidents are addressed promptly. Save the response plan to secure your changes. To review or edit an existing plan, click on the plan name from the list. Make necessary adjustments to the plan details as needed. Test the response plan by simulating incident scenarios. Gather feedback from team members on the effectiveness of the plan. Use this feedback for continuous improvement of the incident response plan. Regularly review and update your plans to align with organizational changes. Train your teams on how to utilize the incident response plans effectively. Monitor and analyze incident data through PagerDuty's reporting tools. Finally, share insights and best practices learned from incident responses with your team. This will enhance your readiness for future incidents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.